Hi guys, it's Alessandra from IDD and I'm here with Joe from 3Shape and he's going to tell us a little bit about the TRIOS 5 intraoral scanner.
Perfect, thank you so much. Well, the TRIOS 5 is the newest scanner in our portfolio. As you can see, it's been completely redesigned from our TRIOS 3 or our TRIOS 4. It's a super light scanner and we're really excited to kind of bring it into the market because I don't think there's a scanner on the market like this.
So what's your favorite thing about the TRIOS 5?
I mean, there's so many things to love about the TRIOS 5. It's small, it's nimble, it fits perfectly in your hands. We create a really ergonomic scanner. It has a battery that's going to last hopefully all day because it goes into sleep mode after 2 to 3 minutes of inactivity. So it means that you're able to utilize the battery really efficiently. You don't have to worry about it running out and then scrambling to get a new battery. On top of that, the software that's built into this scanner is amazing. We have an option called Scan Assist that really kind of changes the way that you scan and allows you to go from either being a complete novice in dental scanning technology or somebody who's completely advanced. The scanner is built for every single person or every stage of your digital journey. Scan Assist, for instance, will be able to come in and as you're scanning, if it's not stitching correctly, it will automatically fix those scans as opposed to having it done manually or having to restart again. So it means that the learning curve of when you actually start scanning is going to be so severely reduced. It's created so that you can just plug and play and just start scanning. You can stick to a protocol, you can scan the way that you want to scan, and it's going to help you along the way. I mean, I think it's such a great feature.
Is there anything else you'd like to add about the TRIOS 5?
Yeah, I mean, because we've got an enclosed tip, it means that we can achieve the highest level of hygiene. Everything here is completely able to be wiped down, and we know that going through COVID, how important hygiene is these days. To have a scanner where not just having fully enclosed tips, but being able to have now a sheath that goes over the top of it that creates a full barrier. We've created a second button so that if you've got a sterile field, you don't have to break it by going in and touching the computer at any stage. You can use this as a kind of remote that goes through, and then you can work through your workflow without having to touch a single mouse or a single computer at all. So hygiene-wise, it's a real big jump, I guess, in the industry that we're in, and what we've gone through with COVID. It's become a real priority for a lot of patients and clinics as well. So yeah, I mean, I think that's a really great option for the TRIOS 5.
So that's all from the TRIOS 5 here at 3Shape. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Enjoy the rest of the show. Cheers.
Thank you.